What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Whether you want to catch package thieves, see who's at the door before you open it, or just keep a better eye on your front entrance, a good video doorbell is one of the easiest home security upgrades you can make. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best video doorbells of 2026, from a subscription-free wired option to a full head-to-toe battery-powered model with package detection. I'll cover the specs, what each one's actually best for, the pros and cons, and my pick at the end depending on your setup and budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera. The ecobee Smart Video Doorbell is a wired camera recording in 1080p HDR with smart alerts, a 187-degree diagonal field of view, night vision, two-way talk, 30-day snapshot storage, radar tracking, and it's rated to work in temperatures from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. That 187-degree field of view is genuinely wide, which means far less of that awkward, cropped view you get with narrower doorbell cameras. You can actually see someone approaching from the side, not just standing directly in front of the door. Radar tracking is also a standout feature here, since it can detect motion and movement more precisely than standard motion detection, cutting down on false alerts. Pros: wide 187-degree field of view, radar tracking for more accurate detection, HDR video for better contrast in bright or shadowed areas, reliable and extreme hot or cold temperatures. Best pick if you want a wide coverage, reliable wired doorbell with smart, accurate motion detection. Number 2. REOLINK Video Doorbell PoE. The REOLINK PoE video doorbell records in 2K and connects via Power over Ethernet with local storage and no subscription required. It includes a Chime V2, a 4:3 aspect ratio, 180-degree diagonal field of view, two-way talk, plug-and-play setup, and smart detection. No subscription required is a big deal here. A lot of video doorbell cameras lock full video history or advanced detection features behind a monthly fee, and REOLINK skips that entirely with local storage. The 4:3 aspect ratio is also worth mentioning, since it's taller than the typical widescreen format, which actually works better for doorbell cameras because it captures more of a person from head to toe instead of just their upper body. Pros: no subscription required. Local storage keeps footage private and cost-free. Sharp 2K resolution, taller 4:3 aspect ratio captures more of each visitor. Best pick if you want to avoid ongoing subscription costs and keep your footage stored locally. Number 3. aosu 5MP Ultra HD Video Doorbell Camera. The aosu 5MP video doorbell can run wireless or wired with 8 GB of inbuilt local storage, a head-to-toe view, triple motion detection, dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home. The flexibility to go wireless or wired is a genuine advantage if you're not sure which setup fits your home, or if you want the option to switch later. Triple motion detection is also a nice layer of accuracy, combining multiple detection methods so you're less likely to get random alerts from passing cars or blowing leaves while still catching actual visitors reliably. Pros: works wireless or wired, 5MP resolution with head-to-toe framing, dual-band Wi-Fi for a more stable connection, built-in 8 GB local storage. Best pick if you want the flexibility to choose wireless or wired power depending on your home setup. Number 4. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is built for home or business security with head-to-toe HD Plus video, motion detection and alerts, and two-way talk. Ring is probably the most recognized name in video doorbells, and that brand familiarity comes with real practical benefits: an enormous ecosystem of compatible smart home devices, a well-established app, and widespread community support features like neighborhood alerts. The head-to-toe HD Plus framing addresses one of the biggest complaints about older doorbell cameras, where you'd often only catch someone's face or torso. Pros: head-to-toe HD Plus framing, battery-powered for flexible, no-wiring installation, well-established app and ecosystem, suitable for both home and business use. Best pick if you want a trusted, widely supported brand with an easy battery-powered install. Number 5. BOTSLAB 5MP Wireless Video Doorbell. The BOTSLAB 5MP Video Doorbell offers a 180-degree head-to-toe view, AI motion detection, a VR mode, and can run on battery or wired power. It includes package detection, a 32GB SD card, a 6400 mAh battery, easy installation, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Package detection is the standout feature here, and it's genuinely useful if online deliveries are a regular part of your routine. Instead of a generic motion alert, you get a specific notification when a package is dropped off, which makes it much easier to catch porch theft in the act. That large 6400 mAh battery is also worth noting, since it should mean noticeably longer stretches between charges compared to smaller battery doorbell cameras. Pros: dedicated package detection, large 6400 mAh battery for longer battery life, included 32GB SD card for ample storage, works on battery or wired power. Best pick if you get frequent deliveries and want dedicated package detection alongside solid battery life. Quick recap. Best wide coverage wired pick is the ecobee Smart Video Doorbell. Best no-subscription local storage option is the REOLINK PoE Video Doorbell. Most flexible wireless or wired option is the aosu 5MP Video Doorbell. Most trusted, widely supported brand is the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. Best for package detection is the BOTSLAB 5MP Wireless Video Doorbell. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which one you're picking. See you in the next one.